Today, we are going to take a look at 5 incredible properties in northern Italy. When you hear about Italy, people usually say that it is expensive in the north and much cheaper in the south. But I will show you today that even in the north, there are still many affordable properties that are in fantastic places to live. I have spent months looking around Italy trying to find the best deals and best places to live and posting them here on my channel. Now let's take a look at 5 different properties around several regions in northern Italy that are great bargains and need little to no work. If that sounds good, then let's get started. Northern Italy has 8 different regions, split evenly, with 4 in the west and 4 in the east. Around 46% of Italy's population lives in these regions, and they make up around 55% of Italy's GDP. There is a distinct and rich culture here, with 37 of the 59 World Heritage Sites found in Italy in this region. The region has the Alps as its northern and western boundary and the Apennine Mountains as the southern one, with Italy's largest plain, the Po Valley, connecting them and containing the majority of the region's population. There is a mostly humid subtropical climate with cold, dry winters and hot, dry summers. With the exception of Liguria, which has a more Mediterranean climate as it sits along the coast with mild, wet winters and warm, dry summers. Our first property today is actually just barely outside of northern Italy in the region of Tuscany, right on the border with Liguria. The property is in the village of Pontremoli, which is literally translated to Trembling Bridge, named after a prominent bridge across the Magra River. I have decided to include it anyway, as you will spend a lot of time in northern Italy if you live there. Pontremoli is a beautiful small village with culinary traditions distinct from the rest of the region. Even the dialect and accent is different from the rest of Tuscany and is much more similar to Ligurian and Emilian. From the village, there are spectacular views of the Apennines in the distance, and the castle of Pianiero is a sight to behold, but also a great viewpoint to look at the historical center, set between the 2 watercourses of the Magra and Verde. There are a lot of historical sites to check out in the area, but just having a wander around the narrow stone streets can be a treat in itself. The first property is a stone house of around 100 meters in size. The outside is beautiful and has been recently restored as well. The kitchen is a really good size and has nice wooden cabinets and a wood burner stove. Right next to the kitchen is also the living/dining room with a spiral staircase taking you up to the 3 bedrooms. This room has plenty of space and is perfect for entertaining some guests as well. Finally, there is a bathroom downstairs as well. Upstairs, the 3 bedrooms are all nice and bright. The first one has space for a wardrobe and has doors with a view of the street. The house has the wood burner downstairs and independent radiators in the bedrooms and downstairs as well. There is also 2 large cellar rooms in the basement that you can use for storage or to hold your wine racks. Pontremoli is in a fantastic location with everything you need close at hand. From many restaurants to plenty of shops including a pharmacy, vet, and activities like sports centers, golf clubs, and horseback riding. There is Parma Airport around an hour away, Genova City Airport around an hour and a half away right next to Genoa, Pisa Airport just over an hour away, and Bologna Airport around 2 hours away. This also means you have plenty of cities close by you can visit for a day out or for some shopping if you need anything. Also close by is a hospital, a ski resort, and the wonderful city of La Spezia at the Bay of Poets if you'd like to dip your toes in the sea. This property is for sale for 32,000 euros, or around $37,000. The next property we will take a look at is in the region of Lombardy, in the village of Sant'Omobono, which has a population of around 3,800 people. Sant'Omobono is an amazing place, surrounded by hills and covered in forests. There is a never-ending amount of outdoor activities to do here. There are many hiking trails and cycle paths in the area. And nearby is the magical Lake Como. The lake is a place where alpine beauty meets Italian elegance and has so many things to do, such as explore the towns surrounding the lake, take a boat tour, you can visit one of the many historic villas in the area, or even relax on a beach. And when you are missing the streets of a bustling city, then Bergamo and even Milan are right there waiting for you to explore and enjoy. The next apartment is in a beautiful building with mountains all around you. It is a studio apartment and is 43 meters squared. You head upstairs to the balcony entranceway, which looks really nice with the tile floors and wooden windows. This is a studio, so the kitchen, living room, dining room, and bedroom is all in the one room. The room is a good size, and the kitchen is gorgeous and needs no work. There is a full bathroom with a stand-up shower right next to the kitchen. And from the living room, there are glass doors leading out to your own private garden space. Outside, there is a covered terrace to enjoy outdoors, out of the sun. Around the side of the building, the property comes with a long garage, which you could use as storage and keep a car in it as well. This property is in a great location with many shops and restaurants nearby, including butcher shops, cafes, a pharmacy, a vet, and activities like horse riding, golf clubs, and sports centers. There are also many choices for airports. Ili Caravaggio Airport, just outside of Bergamo, is only 36 minutes away. Milan Linate Airport is an hour away. Milano Malpensa Airport, just outside of Milan, is an hour and a half away, and Brescia Airport is just over an hour as well. And although the coast is not close, there are ski resorts close by, and the magical Lake Como has plenty of activities and beaches to choose from as well. This property is for sale for 34,000 euros, or around $39,000, and I believe could make a fantastic investment as a holiday home with great access to the outdoors and a peaceful and relaxing environment, but still close enough to enjoy the hustle and bustle of the city if you choose to. The next property is in the region of Liguria, nestled in the village of Vobbia, with a population of around 400 people. It sits in the Po Valley near the Apennines Mountains, surrounded by nature. The village is peaceful and sits on the river Vobbia, which once translated literally means on the stream. This area is also part of the Antola Regional Natural Park, one of the most enchanting areas of the Apennines and the Ligurian hinterland. The main attraction of the area is in the regional park, which you can only visit by foot, the Castello della Pietra, which is lodged between two rocks and worth checking out. Next, we will take a look at a 130 square meter detached house with a 150 square meter terrace, 2 storage rooms, and 1 cellar. There is also a lovely balcony area on the first floor where you can enjoy the views of your beautiful surroundings a little better. Inside the kitchen and dining room is a little dated and could use an update, but the room is large and could be turned into something great. Next door would be your living room area, which based on the layout, I think you could knock down the walls between the kitchen and living room and have a very large open plan area. There are 2 good-sized bedrooms. Each has plenty of space for wardrobes along the wall. Then there is a full bathroom with bidet and stand-up shower. Outside is where the property shines, with its 150 square meter terrace. The perfect spot for barbecues or having friends and family over to enjoy the beautiful weather. You could easily have an outdoor dining area here as well. There is a large space up beside the house off the upper balcony that could easily be used for storage or possibly even putting a garden. There is also a lovely terrace area on the first floor where you can enjoy the views of your beautiful surroundings a little better. Upstairs, there are 2 very large rooms used for storage at the moment. At least 2 of these could be converted to extra bedrooms or an office if you wish, or just continue using them as storage. And 1 room below in the cellar. Vobbia is a small village, but everything you can't get in town, you can get in the surrounding villages, including many restaurants and shops to choose from, pharmacy, a vet, bakeries, cafes, and activities like golf clubs, sports centers, and gyms. And once again, you have 4 airports close by, with Genova City Airport around 50 minutes away, Milan Linate Airport is an hour and a half away, Parma Airport is 2 hours away, and Queno Airport is around 2 hours away. There are also ski resorts nearby, and you are a 24-kilometer drive to dipping your toes in the sea. This property is for sale for 45,000 euros, or around $52,000, and is a great opportunity for someone wanting a property with a lot of potential, surrounded by nature and still close to cities and the sea. The next village we will head to is Dogliani, nestled in the heart of Piedmont with a population of around 4,700 people. This village is a hidden gem known for its exquisite Dolcetto wines, picturesque landscapes, as well as its truffles and cheese. There is so much to do in this area, from wine tasting and visiting the historic cellars, to private dining experiences in a local home offering an authentic experience, to the many hiking trails and bike paths. The village sits on the river Breia and can be divided into 2 parts: Borgo, the lower section characterized by its narrow streets, and Castello, a collection of pathways with far-reaching views over the valley. It is also surrounded by the Langhe Hills, a UNESCO World Heritage Site providing a stunning backdrop. The village has a long and fascinating history dating back to ancient times, first mentioned in historical records in the 14th century, and has since evolved into a vibrant community that preserved its traditions while embracing modernity. Our next property is an attic room on the 4th floor of a beautiful building. It has independent heating with low cost since it is on the top floor, and it comes with a garage. You can see the property has been recently renovated to a high standard with beautiful floors. The kitchen and living dining room area is open plan and nice and bright. There is just 1 bedroom, which is a good size and bright, with plenty of room for cupboards along the wall. The bathroom is modern and lovely with tiles on the wall and in the shower, and they have put the washer-dryer in there as well. There is also a small balcony perfect for stepping into the sun in the morning and enjoying a sip of coffee while looking at the views. The garage is large and could accommodate a car or be used as extra storage. Dogliani is a great place to live with all the amenities you need in town, such as plenty of shops and many restaurants, to its own vet and pharmacy, as well as golf clubs, sports center, gym, and even horse riding close by. You still have the choice between 4 airports. Cuneo Airport is 40 minutes away, Genova City Airport is an hour and 45 minutes away. Torino Airport is just over an hour's drive, and Milano Malpensa Airport is just over a 2-hour drive, giving you plenty of options. On top of all that, there are ski resorts close by, and you are only 50 kilometers to the coast for a relaxing dip in the Ligurian Sea. This property is for sale for 45,000 euros or around $52,000, a great price for a beautiful village with great culture, wine, and so much right on your doorstep. Laying in the center of a beautiful valley, immersed in greenery, sitting in the region of Piedmont. The final area we will look at today is Cellio con Breia, with a population of around 900 people. Surrounding the village is characterized by thick woods and scenic areas, rich in trails for trekking and mountain biking. The village is rich in culture and typical valley culture. Both the town and its hamlets are referred to as the Hamlets of the Sun, which preserve houses of traditional architecture, old mills, and presses. It is a typically rural village, but with a sublime view of the mountains and the incredible Lake Orta. The shores of the lake are dotted with picturesque ancient villages and marinas, an ideal destination for families, couples looking for a romantic place to relax, sports lovers, and for young and old who love nature and its energy. Our final property today is an independent house with around 90 square meters of living space, a garage, and 2 parking spaces. Downstairs has an entranceway, living room, and kitchen. The property has nice tiles, and the living room has lovely wooden accent walls. You could possibly knock down the wall between the kitchen and living room, making a really nice open-plan layout. The kitchen color might not be for everyone, but it is modern and taken care of. Upstairs has lovely wooden floors and window frames. There are 2 bedrooms, a bathroom, and a scenic balcony to enjoy. The first is a single bedroom good for guests or kids or maybe an office. Then the master is a great size with beautiful glass doors leading to the balcony, which has some beautiful views of the surrounding hills. The bathroom is lovely as well, with tiles on the walls and a glass stand-up shower. Back outside, there is a fully functioning garage, and I think the 2 parking spaces are just across the street, perfect for having guests over. Our final property is in a small village and might not have everything you need right next door, but with all the surrounding towns close, you still have many restaurants in the area and plenty shops as well. And this area has all the usual activities like golf clubs, sports centers, a gym, horse riding, a vet, and pharmacies. There are also plenty of travel options with Milano Malpensa Airport around an hour drive, Torino Airport is an hour and a half away, and Milan Linate Airport is also an hour and a half drive. There's also ski resorts close, and although the coast is not, you are only a stone's throw to Lake Orta, one of Italy's best lake destinations. This property is for sale for 49,000 euros or around $56,000, an incredible deal, which would be a great place to retire, or a wonderful holiday home, or even a fantastic investment. Do you think northern Italy is somewhere you could picture yourself retiring in? Is there somewhere else that you would like me to make a video on? Leave a comment below and subscribe to my channel where I release a new video every week. Check out my previous videos on Italy here. See you next week, and happy house hunting!